Hi, today I'm going to make this very simple Rakhi, ready in just 5-6 minutes. Very easy to make and very pretty. Materials required are a glitter foam sheet, I've taken blue in color, needle and thread. This is a gota flower. This is a gota string and some very strong glue, a white pearl or any decoration piece that you have. So I've cut a design, a stencil from the paper, this kind of a shape. You can cut any petal shape that you like, and I've cut it out from the blue glitter foam sheet also. So now just fold this in half first, lightly, and then just from the back just cut out a small hole like this, and then from the bottom give a cut like this. So now just take the glue and apply on one side of the cut. Just apply some little glue. And then just bring the other flap overlapping the previous one, so it becomes like this, like a cup, and hold it till the glue dries a bit. Like so. So this is how they look. I have made 5 of these, like so. Now just take the needle and tie a knot at the end. Take this flower and put this gota strand on it. And just stitch these together. Tying a knot. So this will stay at the base. Now just turn this over. I'm going to stick this on top of this, like so. So just apply glue close to the center, and you can put it all around in one go if you wish. Take this . So I'm going to stick all of them like this. So this is how it will look. Now just apply some glue in the center. and stick this big bead on it. And let it dry. And this is how it will look after it's finished. A very pretty and a very simple Rakhi.